we have just received another skincare package. So first up we have a Pore Clay Cleanser Mask from Coxir. This has charcoal, black rice and snail mucin. So I have dry sensitive skin, particularly now it's getting cold. I am seeing a lot more flakiness, so a pore mask is definitely needed. I do not do mask cleansers enough, to be honest, so you should be doing it at least once or twice a week max. Snail mucin is really good for hydration. Charcoal is like a natural purifier cleanser, and black rice is supposedly really good for balancing your skin. Also, I reckon if you have dry sensitive skin, it's always good to go for a mask cleanser that is non-setting, because if you go for a mask that is setting, it's usually better suited for people with oily or combination skin. Next we have this 3HA clay cream. I am not too well versed in my HA ingredients. No, BHA is good for balancing, AHA is good for, I think, exfoliating. I may be wrong, but I have tried this before and the smell is minty. I can't stand skincare that has really strong fragrance. I just think it makes me gag, especially when it's sitting on your skin and it's so close to your nose. I think I'm just really sensitive when it comes to smell. So I've already tried this and it smells like, you know, the kind of mouthwash that you get when you go to the dentist? It smells like that. It smells like a medical spearmint mouthwash. The formula is really good, more on the thinner side, but I just don't think I can get past the smell. Next we have this PDRN Glow Toner from Mugtree, I think. This has Glutathione. Don't know if I'm saying it right, but Glutathione is good for pigmentation. It's good if you have dark spots, which is kind of what I'm going through, so this toner would be quite good. And then it also has PDRN, so PDRN, it's good for collagen and new skin regeneration. So I do prefer my milky toners, but I like it to be a little bit tacky at the end. This one seems to be quite watery. I also have a code, so if you want to save yourself a little bit of money, feel free to use the code, no obligation whatsoever, but it's there if you want to use it. Next we have another clay cleanser. It's like Stalvano knows what I need and what I'm lacking in my routine. So it's a whipped Mugtree vegan cookie clay pack cleanser. It has charcoal powder, mugwort, tea tree, centella, LHA, not sure what that is, vegan peptide. This sounds really good and the packaging is really cute. It's like they've put it as a recipe. I have a friend who's vegan, so I think she would much more appreciate this than me. Last we have this amino acid cleansing foam. I feel like something like this would be better for someone who has oily or combination skin, or if you have acne prone skin. I used to have acne when I was in my early 20s, and that was a really weird time in my life because, you know, majority of people get acne when they're in their teens, but I got acne when I was maybe when I was around 22, 23, 24. It was more hormonal. It was probably one of the most difficult time of my life because I just didn't know how to manage the acne. You know, I just started a new job. It was client facing, so I was meeting up with clients. I had just got into a new relationship, and it just made me feel so self-conscious. And the products that was available then, I'm talking about maybe 6-7 years ago, so Korean products weren't as popular back then as it is now. So I was using a lot of products that were stripping back the oils in my skin, which actually led to more breakouts. So it's important to know your skin type, and even if you think you know your skin type will change throughout the year and throughout the duration of your life. Anyways, that's it for this unboxing. If you guys have any questions about your skin or about any products, feel free to leave me a comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next video.